Hey guys, so today I am going to do a lash cluster at home DIY extension kit on myself. So I brought this from Amazon. It comes with the clusters. It goes all the way to size 18. It comes with this tweezer. Comes with this little tweezer here. It comes with just one side bonded, the other side is sealed. So the bond looks like this. Like this little spoolie thing. And the seal, let me see. Has more like of a spoolie but a little sponge on it. So we're gonna try it, and this is my first time. I never ever played with my eyes by myself. So that's the only thing that came with it, plus this little user manual. So we're gonna do it together. We're gonna do it together. So anything you see, excuse my, because I'm gonna get real close up to my face, so excuse my eyebrows. They are about to get plucked. Excuse my edges. These look crazy. I ain't gonna do nothing with it because I'm about to just throw on a hat. I'm about to head out in a couple of minutes. So I just want to get on camera and do this. So first thing first, I do not like my eyelashes dramatic. I hate a dramatic look on me. I hate dramatic looks, period. But it's just my preference. So I'm gonna do small. I think I'm gonna do at the end then like a 12. And then probably like 14 in the middle. And then start going down to like 10 and stuff like that. So let's try. Let's see. Okay, so my camera did down. I only did 2. I'm not gonna lie, this is messy. This is messy. I don't like all this mess. Ooh. It's like so sticky, but this is my first time. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. I really gotta leave though. Look, like, why do it come? Look, like when I'm taking it off, the cluster come like all so messy, and it breaks apart, and it comes off with the tape. Like, what is it doing? I think I'm gonna try it with the bond and the actual lash, cause I don't know, y'all. And I'm about to go to the doctor's office, so, and the doctor's gonna be too close to my face, like. Back up, B. Back up, B. Let's see. I see what I did wrong. I can't put the glue. With me being that this is my first time, I cannot put the glue on my eyelashes first. It's like I'm missing this stuff. But let's see. Should I get like, I should have like a fan or something? Look at it. I gotta see.
A few moments later.
And I will retire with the crown. Yes. No, wait, what she said? No, I'm not lucky. I'm blessed. Yes. All right, I did something. Oh, hold on. So it look missing. It's all right because number one, I really don't like my lashes this thick. But I did it. I just needed to concentrate a little bit more. off camera because when I feel like I'm on the spot, it's hard. So what I did was, well, I should have. Well, I see why I went wrong again. Look. So I did like 10s here, and then right here I did like 2 12s. Then I went back to the 10s, but I feel like I should have did another little 12 here, and then went to 10s. But this is not bad. Before I go, this needs to get done. I'm gonna go try this. I got a mole in my head. This is crazy. I have like, what is it, 4C? I don't know. I have some type of hair coil, very coil. But I'm gonna do this one because number one, I gotta go to 11 o'clock. I need to be at the house by 11:30. I already did everything else. Like, wash my ass. Wash my real and for some reason, I don't know, I feel like it's not enough bond glue in here. Like, I don't know, this is messy. But I'm just trying it out. So let's start with the 10s. Look, see, they will not come, like, it's hard to come off. It's so hard to come off. Look, I gotta peel it off the actual tape that it comes with. And I gotta be careful. And then I'm looking at the user manual, and they say not supposed to get like glue remover. Where's my glue remover? Where's the glue remover? I don't see no glue remover. So now I got jigged. Now they jigged me. It's ridiculous. No, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone. We. Nah. Please tell me to do it. Alright. Freak. Hold on. Whew. Thought it flew in my eye socket.
Two 2,000 years later.
So this is how it looks. Hey, we be wildin', classy B, and you know I be outside with it. I think I'm supposed to put some seal. Let's see. I don't know what the seal means, but let me see what it said. Apply lash. Yeah, it said to put some seal on it, so. Let's see that. Oh. I put some seal, and we are all done. This is my lashes. Brush them out. All right, it got to go.